To God be the glory to all viewers. We have company named Press It Now Company na may concept siya o idea mula sa ating CEO, President Dominic L. Bala. Pindot apps application. Press it now, deliver on time. About us. Press It Now Company is a cutting-edge technology company dedicated to providing innovative and efficient solutions for everyday needs. Our flagship mobile application, named Pindot, is designed to streamline various services, making life easier and more convenient for our users. With a commitment to reliability and timely delivery, we provide ourselves on being to-go platform for a range of essential services. Our vision of our President and CEO, Dominic L. Bala, to revolutionize the way people access and utilize essential services through our Pindot mobile application, ensuring convenience, efficiency, and timely delivery. Katulad din siya ng Angkas at Grab. Ang Angkas ay first app based on the motorcycle ride, hailing, and delivery services. Prototype in 2015. Officially launched 2016. Over 30,000 riders, 555 million revenue in 2024. Owned by Angeline Tam and George Royeko. Ang Grab naman ay super apps for ride hailing, food delivery, and digital payment services on mobile devices. Year founded 2012 in Malaysia, launched in the Philippines 2013, over 40,000 TNBS drivers, 6.8 billion revenue in 2024, owned by Anthony Tan and Tan Hao Ling. Ang Pindot naman, the first nationwide app-based tricycle hailing services. Prototype 2021 from the Philippines, launched officially 2024, over 1,000 tricycle drivers, and revenue in 2025 is 5 million, owned by Press It Now Company, led by Dominic L. Bala. Press It Now Company have SEC registration, legally registered with the company registered. The problem with traditional transportation, traffic jam, wasted time, and limited options. Our problem with traditional transportation, especially for the economically active class, apps offer convenient, flexible, and cost-effective alternative. Our solution app technology transportation. Our app technology transportation services offers convenience, efficiency, safety, and affordability to our users. The app is mainly targeted to address the community needs of our working groups by utilizing one of the most common and accessible mode of transportation, tricycle. Pindot mobile feature: pasakay, padala, pabili, at pitaka. Ang pasakay naman ay seamlessly hail a tricycle with just a few taps. Whether you're commuting to work or running errands, pasakay ensure you get a ride quickly and safely. Padala: send packages and documents with padala. Are reliable delivery services ensures your items reach their destination on time every time. Pitaka: manage your finances effortlessly with Pitaka. This feature acts as a digital wallet, allowing you to store and transfer money securely. Pabili: shop from a wide range of products through Pabili, from groceries to electronics. Our e-commerce platform offers a seamless shopping experience. We have passengers interface. Yan po ang ating application for the passenger. Ito naman sa mga driver interface, application nila para ang mga driver. So we have competitive advantage, build synergistic collaboration among local tricycle drivers, neighborhood, local government units. So local tricycle drivers accept booking anytime through the priority booking, increase income opportunity through services expansion, delivery and merchant services, adapt to the engineering trend of app-driven commuting option, internal token with hybrid capability, simplified process registration, verification and training and implementation. Neighborhood, convenience, real-time booking and efficient option. Book it from your house. Safety, driver info and rider info is available. Automatic fare adjustment is available and transparent. Opportunity for small merchants and the community to expand services. Local government unit, LGU, information data house in a central location for TODAs and merchants. Monitoring auto computation for travel transparent and equitable. Enhance constituents experience by advocating commuter safety, convenient and travel and purchase option, verified drivers, merchants, and user. The main target, Grab and Angkas require new vehicles and licenses, but Pindot doesn't. We empower the existing fleet of tricycle drivers, the true backbone of daily Filipino commute. Target 250,000 registered units, representing 5% of the national tricycle driver population. 117 million Philippine population in 2025. 90 million 2025 smartphone user, 78 million 2025 working age, and 5 million registered tricycle in 2025. So we get targeted the 5% only for 5 million to registered tricycle. Target market, psychological graphics, demographics, behavior graphics. So smartphone from psychographics, smartphone user on the go and busy person, values time and convenience, demographics, all gender, economically active population, 18 to 65 years old age, students, working class, business owners, freelancers, MLM marketers, single families. Behavior, attracted to rewards and advocacy driven, curiosity trends, prioritize safety. Geographics, province that mainly utilize tricycle as their taxi as the main mode of transport on a daily basis, especially events. Market channel, social media marketing, field advertising, events and promotional activities, social media marketing, event updates and announcements, and several social media platforms, Facebook, TikTok, radio, etc. Value time and convenience, monitoring of reach, influence and downloads, multi-level marketing tie-ups, field at advertising, posters, flyers in the community, scan QR code and tricycle, merchant ties-ups, billboard placements, events and promotional activities, brand launching, coordination with LGU rewards program. So as of now, we have implemented target areas like Tuguegarao, Cauayan, Santiago, Araneta, Tarlac, Mabalacat, Tacloban City, Borongan City, Lucena, Candelaria, San Jose, Bustos, Santa Cruz, Pela, Magdalena, Pagsanhan, San Jose, Saria, Tayabas, Tiaong, Pagbilao, Mauban, Dolores, Gumaca, Lopez, Cabanatuan. And in the future, Velasquez, San Fernando, Tanza, Tagaytay, Batangas City, Iloilo, Panay, Bacolod City, Puerto Princesa, Dumaguete City, Zamboanga, Talavera, Cabanatuan, Baliwag, San Pablo, Naga City, Sorsogon, Talisay, Buatuan City, Cagayan de Oro, Samal Island, Davao, General Santos, Polomok, Calamba at marami pang iba. Yan po ang mga alpha beta testing implementation sa mga lugar ng Tuguegarao City, Pituda Officer, Tuguegarao. Sa ating company, Presit Now Company, ito po ay nasubukan na po ng mga iilang mga tricycle driver at mga commuters, passengers. Katulad ng Cauayan City, Lasabila, Mabalacat, Pampanga, Borongan City, Eastern Samar. Tacloban City, Liti, totoong nasiyahan ang mga drivers kung sila man ay Tacloban City, lubos ng kinatuwa ng isa sa mga samahan. Yes, from Tacloban City also, from Tuda. Sila po ang mga naka-experience, nakatuklas, nakikita nila ang lahat ng mga pangyayari sa ating Presit Now Company, Pindot. Borongan City, Eastern Samar, Tacloban. Pindot in action. Ayan po, marami po nakasubok at try sa iba't ibang lugar. Kasama natin ng ating LGU, mga mayor at operator at mga drivers at iba't ibang mga members ng ating kumpanya. Ayan pa po. Santa Cruz, Laguna po ito. PEMDOT. Ito po. Ayan po sa IGC. Frances Albert G1. Punong Bayan. Kasama ang ating President and CEO at kanyang mga marketing officer. Ito po sa isa. Yan. Ito po si George Dizwan, Mayor ng Candelaria. So, nung nakarang araw lang po, ay nakasama namin siya doon sa launching, grand launching ng Candelaria. So, napakabait po si Mayor. Ogie Mayor, ang tinatawag sa kanilang lugar. Batang-bata pa at napakaganda magsalita, napakagaling at talagang may puso ang ating ginoong Mayor, George Yuan. Sa Pindot in Action, mayroon na po tayong iba't ibang lugar, mga investor, katulad ng Singapore, Malaysian. Nakakausap po ng ating owner, president. Si Sabit, isa po sa nagiging friend niya at nakakausap niya tungkol sa ating negosyo. Ganun lang po kasi simple ang ating platform, target nationwide, where end implementation 5% of the 5 million tricycle nationwide. So 5 million average to target trike nationwide. So total of 5% target, so 250,000 total trike. So ang target ng office natin na slot is 333 branches nationwide. So we are looking investor for this opportunity as joint venture partnership for Pindot Tricycle Booking System expansion. Ganito lang po ang ating platform o sistema ng ating Presit Now Company. So Pindot apps, Tuda apps, mobile transportation. So we have city, municipality almost 1,600. City municipality 1,600. So 5 million lang po ang target ng ating office. So 5% 250,000 nga tricycle o trike. So 333 lang ang ating pinaka branches nationwide target. So sa loob, ano po itong sa 333, mayroon po siyang itong municipality po ito. Dahil sa 1,600 po, ito po ang target natin, 333 lang. So, sa loob po nito ay mayroong mga tricycle na 3,000 to 7,000 trike. So, good news, ang ating company, CEO, President, ay naghahanap po ng kapartner as a joint venture na mga franchisor to be franchising sa ating negosyo. So, ang bilang isang investor, maglabas lang po ang capital of 1.5 million as joint venture. So bawat municipality, ang target ng para sa investor ay 750 tricycle. So sa bawat trip ay may 3 pesos na ibibigay sa investor. Sa bawat tricycle naman na bibiyahe o kada biyahe ay trip ay 5 trip. Ito yung pinakababa na pong biyahe. Trabahong tamad na lang mga tricycle, baka na busy lang. So, dito tayo magkwenta para sa ating investor na naglabas ng 1.5. So, 11,250. Multiply natin sa 30 days, 337,500 kada buwan o months. So, times natin sa 12 years, 12 months po ito. 12 months, so 4,050,000 in 1 year. So, in 5 years contract, kasi may 5 years contract po tayo, aabot ng almost 20,250,000. Good news, pag hindi po na-reach ng investor na ito, ang from first month to second month, third months, so may guarantee ang company. Ito po ang garantiya ng company, guaranteed check, 200,000 quarterly, 36 months, in 3 years, 2.4 million. Pero kung ma-reach naman niya ang 337,500, ibabalik siya dito. Tuloy-tuloy. Pero pag hindi, halimbawa, for example, first month, 50,000. Second month is 50,000 pa rin. Third month is 50,000 pa rin. So, 150,000 lang ang na-reach niya in quarterly. So, ang ibibigay ng company yung guarantee check na 200,000. Pag hindi makakaabot dito, ito ang ibibigay. Pag hindi makaabot ito, ibibigay ng company ay ang guarantee check. Hanggang maabot niya ngayon ang monthly na target o revenue ng ating investor para ma-reach niya in 5 years 4 million and 20 million in 5 years contract. Kagandahan nito, mayroon po siyang 10% kada renew. After 5 years, 10% renewal.